Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted playlist on Spotify. You might not know this, but Spotify will save deleted playlist for 90 days. This allows you to recover deleted Spotify playlist if you need them in 90-day time frame. But note, to recover deleted Spotify playlists, you might access your account via the Spotify website. You can't do it from the mobile or desktop app. However, once it's been recovered, you can play it on your device of choice. So now, head to the Spotify website and log into your account if you're not already. Scroll through the menu on the left and select Recover Playlist. Now, locate the playlist from the past 90 days that you want to restore and click the Restore button. And then, go back into Spotify app on the device of your choice, desktop or mobile app. You'll find the playlist has been restored. After you restore your playlist, you can listen to it as though it was never deleted. It's a handy Spotify feature that can save you in the event that you accidentally delete an essential playlist. You might have deleted a playlist thinking you didn't it anyway. Instead of painstakingly creating the playlist, you can restore it and get it back in your collection much easier. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.